I was in the fortunate position of dealing with a dying battery on a Mini Cooper. In this quick video we show how to use a nice little battery pack that's good to have in your trunk and saves you in a pinch, in case your battery dies and you can't ask anyone for a jump, like if nobody's around.
Let's try that again. It indeed does not start. We open the hood on the Mini Cooper, and because it's a Mini Cooper, we have to press twice. Okay. So this is our positive, this is our negative. We can see the black wire going to it. Plug it into the battery here. Positive to positive, and negative to negative. It might spark, don't freak out. Now we have a green light here. We press power on this, press boost. Green light on, start the engine. So that is what we will do. Our car has started. So the charge here. Charge still reads full. 4 bars.